Alright, now that we have our backdrop, we're ready for our first sprite, which is down here. Again, we're using the paint option. And again, we're not trying to go too crazy with this. The point for this challenge is to just learn how to do it. So I'm going to make mine, and I'm going to try to center it right here. And actually, the color I wanted is more of a red for that. So I'm going to click off of there. Now, for my wheels, it's just drawing shapes. I'm going to do one like so, and then we're going to do another one over here. Same thing. It's okay. Now that's way off, but when I hit the back button, same thing over here. When I select this one and put it behind it, it actually is going to kind of even out. I'll straighten up the size at the end, but I'm going to just draw all four. So here's a little bit bigger in the back, and I'm going to do another one down here, a little bigger as well. Send that to the back, and then click on this one, and send that to the back. I'm going to even these out real quick. Okay, so that's evened out a lot better. So now I'm just going to go for the size down here. And instead of 100, look at the size. That's way too big. So let's go all the way down to about 15. And there we go. There's my car. I can drag it over onto the track. And he's ready for some coding. Make your car look better than mine. Do the colors you want. But don't spend too much time on it. Go ahead. Make your car right now.